So, what if I told you you could actually get paid to sleep? That's right, companies are looking for people just like you to take part in sleep studies and get paid for simply sleeping. So grab your pillow and get ready for the ride of a lifetime as we take you on the journey of discovering companies that will pay you to sleep. Okay, hi everyone, I am Udochi and welcome to my channel. I'm excited to share with you all the amazing opportunities to make money while you sleep. So all I just need you to do is to sit back, relax and get ready to be amazed by the company that are willing to pay you for catching some Z. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our exciting content. Listen everyone, the last section of this video will show you how to get an alert immediately and whenever a company needs you to test their bed. So let's take this journey together and start making money while we sleep. One way to do this is through CraftBed. Imagine getting paid to do what you love most: Netflix and nap. That's exactly what CraftBed, a UK-based company that creates bespoke luxury bed, is offering. They're in search of passionate individuals to join their team as mattress tester. As a mattress tester, you'll earn up to £24,000 a year simply by working 37.5 hours a week testing the comfortability of CraftBed mattress while watching your favorite show and taking naps. The goal here is to assess the mattress comfort score before it is distributed to customer. And to be eligible for this dream job, you must be 18 years or older and you must be based in the UK and have a strong written communication skill. So why not put your Netflix and nap skill to use and earn money while you sleep with CraftBed? Next up is Sleep Junkie. Do you know that last year, which was 2022, Sleep Junkie was on the lookout for self-confessed insomniac to test out various sleeping products and complete reviews? The chosen applicant had the opportunity to use 8 different products for a week each, which were paid a total of $2,000 a week for their efforts, which was like say $250 per hour. The job required applicants to explain why they were the perfect fit and if they had a history of poor sleep. The information gathered was used to create the ultimate sleep guide for trouble sleepers worldwide. It is important to note that testing new products may potentially worsen sleep and lead to painful side effects. Sleepers were able to choose pillows that align with their preferred sleeping position to avoid neck and back pain. This was a unique opportunity, especially for those who were struggling with sleep problems due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Well, so don't miss out on this chance to make easy money while you sleep. All you have to do is keep an eye out for their year's announcement by following Sleep Junkie on their social media platform. I'm talking about the likes of Facebook, Twitter and the rest. You know what I'm trying to say, and you're following them for all of the latest update and information on how you can participate in this year's own. So next on the list is actually ZipRecruiter. Now, according to ZipRecruiter, a professional bed tester gets paid $56,963 yearly, which roughly translates to an hourly rate of $27. So next time someone tells you that you're being lazy because you enjoy sleeping, just smile at them and forgive them for their ignorance, as they have no idea that you're actually gaining valuable experience to become a professional bed tester. So there are several bed testing roles available on ZipRecruiter, including remote bed testing job. Now, not just only remote bed testing job, we're talking about contract bed testers, international bed tester, bed management and bed tester, to name a few. And the best part is that you don't need any prior experience or qualification to apply for this role. Your lifelong experience of sleeping is all you need to become a professional bed tester. So what are you waiting for? Head over to ZipRecruiter and start exploring the opportunities to get paid for doing what you love, which is sleeping. Now, before we head on to the section where I'll tell you how you can get alerts immediately whenever a company needs a bed tester, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I want to say a big thank you, because I know you just did right now. Thank you for all your support. Now the last, set up a Google alert. So I said to myself, why spend time every day looking for bed testing job when you can set up a Google alert to ping you when a vacancy for a bed tester role is created or a social media post is being sent out. Fortunately, this is not a tricky process, and once it is set up, you can leave it alone to work its magic. So all you need to do is to go to Google Alerts. In the box at the top, enter a topic you want to follow, which in this instance is mattress testing job. So you can see a lot of jobs on this keyword, especially the ones I have listed before in the video. Well, click on create alert. Also, you can click on the edit icon to choose how often you want the alerts to come up to your email, the region where you want this opportunity to come from, and also ensure in the how many section you set it to only best results. Finally, click the update alert, and that's all. And there you have it, folks, the secrets of being a millionaire while catching some sleep. Just don't forget the most important rule: no snoring on the job. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out any update on how to make money online. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams.